For centuries, Western red and yellow cedar shakes and shingles have been the authentic choice for roof and wall covering. Man-made products simply can't compare to the natural beauty, versatility, and durability. An investment in a cedar shake or shingle roof is rewarded with many years of performance and protection. Cedar shakes and shingles provide the highest insulative value of any roofing or siding product. Energy-conscious consumers have come to appreciate the savings they realize through cedar shakes and shingles. Cedar shakes and shingles exceed the highest wind resistance testing available. Tested in the laboratory, but proven in actual hurricane conditions.
I knew that from the research I had done that it would withstand a 284-mile-an-hour impact. And if you look around the neighborhood, people that have got barrel tiles or some flat tiles, they lost a lot, and my roof never lost a shingle.
Fire pressure treated shakes and shingles are available in Class C, B, and even Class B over 75-pound Class A underlayment to produce the Class A system. More and more architects and builders are choosing cedar shakes and shingles to crown their most prestigious projects. All members of the BC Shake and Shingle Association are accredited with the International Conference of Building Officials. Their registration number and third-party inspection service is listed on the label as your assurance of quality. Cedar shakes and shingles come in many types and sizes. Shakes are split on the face to provide a textured, rustic surface. Shakes come in 3 thicknesses: ½ inch, ¾ inch, and jumbo. Number 1 grade allows 20% flat grain. The best quality available is the 100% edge grain premium grade. Shingles are sawn on both sides to provide a smooth, uniform appearance. They're available in 3 lengths and 4 grades. Lower grade shingles must be applied at reduced exposures and may also be used as first row underlayment course or double course underlayment for sidewall shingles. The taper sawn shake is really a thick shingle, sawn on both sides and installed with felt paper interlayment as with shakes. They are available in premium grade and grade 1, 2, and 3. Ridge caps are available to match each type of shake and shingle: natural, fire-treated, or preservative-treated. These are shingles that have been remanufactured with smooth butts and square sides. They are available in smooth face, grooved face, and many oil-based pre-stain colors. Testing shows that stains penetrate the wood and last much longer if applied to sidewall shingles before 2 weeks of sun exposure has occurred. Designer shingles are available in a number of different profiles to create many interesting wall features. Each box contains 96 pieces and covers 25 square feet at 7½ inch exposure. In North America, shakes are sold by the square. 5 bundles cover 100 square feet. A square covers 100 square feet at 10-inch maximum exposure. Internationally, shakes are sold by the bundle, each bundle covering 1.8 square meters. Shingles are sold by the 4-bundle square. Number 1 shingles cover 100 square feet. Internationally, sold by the bundle at 2.3 square meters per bundle. Taper sawn shakes are sold by the 5-bundle square. Premium and number 1 grade cover 100 square feet per square. Internationally, 1.8 square meters per bundle. Complete exposure and coverage tables are on the cover of this program. Roofing product and exposure standards are regulated by local building codes.
In our previous presentations, we talked about the benefits of real Western Red Cedar shakes and shingles with the authentic choice, as well as proper techniques for care and maintenance of Western Red Cedar shakes and shingles. These presentations are available on our website, which we'll show you at the end of this presentation. Now we'd like to take you to a couple of job sites and show the installation and application details for cedar shakes and shingles. We'll first visit a multi-level care home and then on to a single-family residence.
This is a multi-unit, fire-treated shake project. A proper safety harness and soft-soled shoes are required. Roof loading equipment speeds up the process and reduces stress and strain. Spacing the bundles out over the roof holds the tar paper down and reduces workload. Common steel nails are not allowed. Galvanized, stainless steel, or copper are approved. Choose nails or staples that are long enough to extend into the underdecking a minimum 3/4 of an inch or more. A good rule of thumb is 2-inch nails for shakes and taper saws and 1.5 inch for shingles. Plan to use about 2 pounds of nails per square. Nail guns should be adjusted so the nails meet the surface without crushing the wood. The labels and tags on the bundle indicate International Conference of Building Officials registration, as well as fire treatment classification. Perforated felt paper is marked with exposure lines of 7.5 and 10 inches. Careful felt paper layout is crucial to ensure proper shake alignment. At the eaves, a full 3-foot wide row of felt paper must be laid down, extending past the fascia board by 1.5 inches. Then the first double row of undercourse and shakes is installed, overhanging the fascia board by 1.5 inches. Each shake should be installed at least 1.5 inches to the right or left of the shake below it. Shakes should be spaced 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch apart to allow proper drainage.
Every shake has 2 nails in it, spaced at about 1 inch from the outside edges. This is a 10-inch exposure, so the nails are going to be placed at about the 12-inch mark. Then the first row of paper goes on the 20-inch line of the shake so that it forms a line where this third row of shakes can be installed at. Also, the paper won't be seen in the keyways. It's important to not have these keyways in alignment. They should be offset like this one, and then this one's solid, but this one's offset, and then this one's offset a little bit. If this shake cracks, then it could form a potential for leakage. So that's why we offset these keyways every third course.
It's practical and time-saving to install 3 or 4 courses at a time. Trimming should only be done to remove imperfections, not to make the desired width. Observe this roofer installing a vent. The shakes over the hole are cut. The vent is installed over the hole. If the top edge of the vent doesn't tuck under the felt paper, a metal strip will add protection. Place the shakes slightly away from the vent so water and debris can drain away. Here's another vent installation. Once again, shakes are chosen to fit around the hole and then nailed into place.